Hi, learn how to make a cuticle remover with lemon juice at home. Step 1. Cut the lemon and extract lemon juice. Step 2. Take 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Add 120 ml warm water. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of honey to make it more hydrating. Stir the solution well. Step 4. Soak your nails in the mixture for at least 5 minutes. Step 5. Dab a dry towel to absorb excess water. Final step, push back cuticles slowly or remove them. Here are some tips: apply the solution once a week for better results. Do not apply lemon juice to damaged nails. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.